Traveltown Museum is at the north end of Griffith Park. It can be reached by taking the Forest Lawn exit from the 134 freeway. We have one of the best collections of historical railroad equipment in Southern California. You can take a ride on our hand-built miniature trains that travel around the museum for an educational overview of the exhibits. We leave the station every 15 to 20 minutes. In addition to hands-on exploration of the trains, families can enjoy picnic and party areas, Holden's Corner for train play, our beautiful gift shop stocking all things train-related, including Thomas the Tank Engine, and on weekends, the East Valley In-Scale Model Club. Open 7 days a week, Traveltown is a fun and educational family experience. Hope to see you soon. All aboard!